Hi guys, it's Rak, and today I'll be walking you through the unboxing experience of the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, which has just come through the door, and I'll be giving you my initial thoughts before we dive into a deeper review later on. So let's just get through the packaging first and then get started. Like, cute. Oh, would you look at this beauty? Ooh, that is a very sleek box. Now I'm back with a scissor, let's see. Don't worry about that, that was just something falling in the background, but let's see what the Galaxy Watch has to say. Let's dive right into the box. Oh, I forgot to take the bottom off. Okay, so let's unbox the Watch 5 Pro, and I've got my Watch 4 here for comparison, and boy oh boy, look at this. That is a beauty. Okay, so we'll put this watch out to the side for now, but god, that feels heavy, and in a very good way. I can literally feel the battery size. So we've got this tab on this side, we've got our chargers, if I could just get this out, there we are. Alright, so the charger is actually a bit different. It's metal all over except the front. I'm not sure, I can't remember if the Galaxy Watch 4 was like that. I don't think it was. So this one's metal all over. It's really premium. It could be titanium, you know, probably not, but yeah, just steel. So yeah, that's your okay, look at that. So it looks like we're getting USB Type-C charging this time. So you'll need a USB Type-C adapter or a USB Type-C port to plug to charge this watch. Oh wow, so if this is a decision and you're deciding between the Watch 4 and the Watch 5, bear in mind you will need to invest in another adapter when you do buy this, it seems. Okay, that's a sneaky one, Samsung. Okay, it makes sense though, because all the new phones have a Type-C adapter. On the other side, I'm pretty sure all you have is your quick start guide, warranty card. So yeah, that's all you have here. Quick start guide and warranty card. Brilliant. So nothing else in the box, so I'll tuck those away. And here we are, this beauty. This is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Wow, the strap feels so good. Actually feels so good. But yeah, it's interesting. This new design on the strap, I'm not too sure how to put it on, but let me just take a look real quick at the quick start guide, which will tell me exactly what to do. Okay, so zoom in a bit. All we gotta do is take off the top lever and tuck that in. Alright, makes sense. Okay, so this is different to what I initially thought. I initially thought this would be a two-piece design, but this strap is actually a one-piece design. Well, it's a two-piece strap, but it seems like it's going to simulate a one piece. So let's see. I'm probably just going to attach it before I put it on. Looks like that's what I'm doing. So when you found what side you want to put it on, you just snap this bit down. Oh, that felt firm. It feels like it's going to leave a mark on the strap. But yeah, let's carry on and see how this is done. So now I should be able to just... Alright, there we are. So it's a one-piece design now. This is really innovative, Samsung. Oh, careful, it's going to pinch your wrist, but it's really innovative. Yeah, I really like this strap design. I do notice one problem immediately for me, having my 6.75 inch wrists. This seems to be slightly too big as it hangs over the edges. Yeah, that's quite funky. I do have my TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra here, which has the same size or a larger size screen compared to the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, and it sits quite flush with my wrist here, so I'm not too sure about this. The straps actually hang over, so maybe it will help to get aftermarket straps, but again, like this bit dome is quite big as well, so it's quite far off the wrist, so I'm not too sure about making it my daily driver, but that would depend on how good the features really are. So yeah, or I'll put this on the wrong way around, I believe. So this way. There we are. That's it. So, alright. So I'm just going to set this up and then get back to you guys to show you the home screen. Alright guys, so I've got this all set up and ready, and as you can see, it's quite nice. 77% battery at the moment. This is a really vintage looking display. I really like this. It really looks nice. The bezel is actually raised from the screen this time around, which adds that extra bit of protection to the screen. I really like that. I really like Samsung did that. I gotta be honest with you guys. I don't beat around the bush. I bought this with my own money, so I've got to be honest. On my wrist, this really feels like I've just got a stone tied to my wrist at the moment, because I don't know if I could kind of pick it up, but it's just really high on the wrist there, as you can see. And this one's the right size, like it's bigger, but it doesn't really feel so massive on the wrist. But it makes, yeah, so you know, we'll see if it's worth it, because we'll do a battery test comparison between these two, because this is a lot slimmer by the looks of it. And of course it's not got as many sensors as the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, because the Watch 5 Pro has ECGs and all sorts, so that's why it's not as thick. But yeah, well, hopefully it's worth it. But yeah, that's just me putting that out there for you guys. But as you can see, that is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So pretty standard unboxing, nothing too special or majorly different, other than the charger, which is now a USB Type-C. Definitely something to be mindful of. Make sure you've got an adapter around somewhere. And also, let's see if this left a mark. I adjusted it a couple of times off camera, so let's see if this actually leaves a mark on the watch strap. I'm just taking it off. Yeah, as you can see, it's left quite a big indent on the strap. So yeah, I think you're just gonna wear it and then put it on, leave it on one setting anyways, so it won't be too bad. But yeah, there's no marks on the outside though, so that's good. The only other thing is be careful, because this thing could go back and scratch the sensors, or even swing forward if you're doing some mad watch acrobatics for whatever reason, and hit the front there. Not that it would do anything, because it's a sapphire crystal, but maybe on the titanium or something, you know, just better safe than sorry. So be mindful of that. So that is it for the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro unboxing experience. I will submit a full review on this after I've spent some time with it, as well as a battery review, and compare it to this TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, after which I'll be deciding whether this will be my daily driver, or if I'm going to stick to the Galaxy Watch 4. See, the reason I didn't get the Galaxy Watch 5 standard edition is because this is just my personal opinion, but there really isn't a point upgrading to the Watch 5 standard edition from the Galaxy Watch 4, because all the main features you're paying for are basically on this bad boy. So yeah, I don't see any difference there, so there's no point in upgrading there. But the Watch 5 Pro has some features that I'd like to explore a bit more in depth. Stick around for that, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. This is Rak signing out.